California Guard Card legal updates. California law has changed once again regarding the required 8-hour powers to arrest and appropriate use of force course for Guard Card applicants. Assembly Bill 229, which became effective January 1, 2024, restructured the required course. Lesson 1, Powers to Arrest, was reduced to 3 hours, and Lesson 2, Weapons of Mass Destruction and Terrorism Awareness, was removed and replaced with 5 hours of appropriate use of force. Powers to Arrest may be taught online, but appropriate use of force must be taught in person by a live instructor. Senate Bill 652, which became effective January 1, 2026, added a critical requirement. The full 8-hour course must be conducted in its entirety and certified by one instructor and must be documented on a single certificate. BSIS will not accept separate certificates. If a hybrid option is offered by a provider, meaning powers to arrest online plus use of force in person, both portions must be completed through the same training center. You cannot take the 3-hour online powers to arrest course from one company and then complete the 5-hour in-person appropriate use of force course at another company, and combine certificates from 2 different providers. BSIS will reject this. The training center issuing your certificate must oversee both portions of the course, certify the full 8 hours, and issue one combined certificate. If the online portion is offered, it must be part of that specific training center's approved program. At this time, Guardian Training Center does not offer a hybrid option for the initial Guard Card course. Our basic Guard Card, Powers to Arrest and Appropriate Use of Force, is currently offered fully in person at our training facility. This ensures full compliance with current BSIS regulations and no risk of application rejection due to improper course structure. What this means for you. To obtain a California Guard Card, you must complete the full 8-hour course, attend at least 5 hours in person, complete all required training through one approved training center, and receive a single certificate covering the entire course. Failure to follow this process may delay or invalidate your Guard Card application.